Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing MetaMask Mobile and Trust Wallet, two of the most popular mobile crypto wallets out there. If you're wondering which one is best for managing your crypto on the go, stay tuned as we break down their features and differences. MetaMask Mobile. MetaMask is one of the most widely used wallets in the Ethereum ecosystem, and its mobile version brings all the powerful features directly to your phone. Ethereum and ERC-20 support. It's ideal for interacting with Ethereum-based tokens and decentralized applications, dApps. In-app browser. The mobile app includes an in-browser feature that allows you to interact directly with dApps without leaving the wallet. Security. It provides strong security features like seed phrase backup and private key control, giving users full control over their assets. Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including those on Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and many others. Here's why it's popular. Multi-chain support. It supports over 1 million cryptocurrencies, including ERC-20, BEP2, and BEP20 tokens, as well as NFTs. Staking. Trust Wallet allows you to stake certain cryptocurrencies directly from the app and earn rewards. User-friendly. The app is known for its easy-to-use interface, making it a great choice for beginners. Which one is better? MetaMask Mobile is perfect if you're primarily using Ethereum and dApps, or if you need deep integration with DeFi platforms. Trust Wallet is a more versatile wallet that supports a wider range of cryptocurrencies and chains, making it a great choice for users with diverse portfolios. Ultimately, it comes down to what blockchains and tokens you plan to use. If you're into Ethereum and dApps, MetaMask is the way to go. But if you're looking for a multi-chain solution, Trust Wallet has you covered. If this comparison helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more updates. See you next time.